Hello friends, welcome to aimstoday YouTube channel. Now let us see IIT-JEE NEET Foundation Chemistry topic Atomic Structure Part 1. Everything around us is made up of matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules, which can be broken down into still simpler particles called atoms. The name atom was based on the Greek word atomos, meaning indivisible. Ancient views about the atom. In 600 BC, Indian philosopher and saint Maharshi Kannar came forward with the idea that matter is not continuous and made up of tiny particles called paramanus, that means atoms. Kannar further said that two or more paramanus combine to form bigger particles called anus, which means molecules. Dalton's atomic theory. Chemist John Dalton proposed that matter is made up of very small individual particles. In 1808, John Dalton put forward his atomic theory, which can be summarized as follows. The important postulates of Dalton's atomic theory are: first one, matter consists of small individual particles called atoms. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. The next one, atoms of same element are similar in all respects. Conversely, atoms of different elements are different in all respects. Atoms combine in small whole numbers to form compound atoms. Now we are calling them as molecules. Atom is the smallest unit of matter that takes part in chemical reactions. Dalton's atomic model became the basis of further research on the structure of the atom. But today, Dalton's atomic theory is almost discarded because of some defects. Let us see the defects of Dalton's atomic model. Atoms can be divided further into subatomic particles like electrons, protons, and neutrons. And the second one, nuclear reaction shows that atoms can be created and be destroyed too. Here, nuclear reactions means the reactions in which two or more smaller atoms combine together to form bigger atoms, or a bigger atom splits into two or more smaller atoms. And the next one, discovery of isotopes proves that atoms of same element need not to be similar in all respects. Here the isotopes means atoms of the same atoms with the same atomic number but different mass numbers. For example, chlorine exists in two isotopic forms. Those are chlorine 37 and chlorine 35. This shows that atoms of the same element can be different in some properties. In this example, mass number of chlorine in two isotopes is different. And the next one, discovery of polymers and macromolecules proves that atoms can combine in large numbers. Here, the polymers means these are very large chain-like molecules made up of small molecules. They can be naturally occurring or synthetic. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.